All right, so here we're trying to figure out if, or determine whether or not the point A at negative 8 comma 4 lies on the line given by the negative 2x minus 9y equals negative 20 line. So really what we're trying to do is, if we plug those values in, it makes it a true statement. That means that the point does lie on that line. So we're just using substitution here. So all I'm going to do is rewrite this, negative 2. And everywhere there's an x, I'm replacing it with a negative 8. Okay? And then everywhere that there's a y, I'm replacing it with a positive 4. Okay? So notice here that I've rewritten to the equation here, and I put parentheses in there. Here, this does make a big difference, whether or not you have the parentheses in there. It's a good habit in general, whenever you make a substitution, put parentheses. One, it's going to save you from any issues that would arise from you not putting them in, but also mathematical issues, but also it's clear, helps to clarify for the reader what you did. So if I take a look at this, say now when I simplify it, I end up with negative 2 times negative 8, so that's going to be 16 minus 36. And really we don't know if this is true or not, so I'm going to put a little question mark above that equal sign there. Over here, question mark equals negative 20. And then 16 minus 36 is negative 20. So here we do end up with this true statement, okay? So the answer is yes. Okay, hope that helped.